You want to speak English, and that's why you want to practice English, right? But you don't have anyone to practice with. You are just like me. I also want to improve my English. I also want to practice, but I don't have anyone to practice with me. But still, I practice every day. Still, I am improving every day. Do you want to know how I actually practice alone? I do one thing. I don't know about you guys, but if I talk about myself, the whole day I keep thinking in my mind in English. And this is how I actually practice alone. And it helps me a lot. It helped me a lot. If you are also trying to improve your English and you don't have anyone, you just follow it. Because when you practice this way, when you think in your mind, and if you make mistakes, there is no one to judge you, right? The second thing I want to share with you, when I think in my mind, I can think for hours. Yes, I can think in English for hours. But when I come to record a 5-minute video and I want to record a 5-minute video, I get stuck. I feel nervous. My brain becomes blank. You know why? This is because of fear. But since I have been practicing for years, now a bit I fear less. Okay? And if you also practice every day, slowly your fear will reduce. And I always say one thing. Uh, if you take pause, if you get stuck, and if you feel nervous while speaking, just don't care. Because when we actually talk in our mother tongue, we also take pause, right? And that's why I'm suggesting you don't care about pause, don't care about nervousness, don't care about that you get stuck. Okay, just try to speak. I always say one thing that only a speaking practice can improve your speaking, and that's why just try to make you speak. Okay, I agree. If you practice with someone in real life conversation, this way you can improve very fast. I agree. But if you don't have anyone to practice with you, then how can you improve your English, right? And that's why I am suggesting you to talk to yourself. Because when you talk to yourself, this is the best way to practice English a lot, right? And speaking English is not very difficult if you practice every day. As you can see, right now I am working because I usually come here for working and I do it every day. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you soon in the next video.